Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa verde molcajete using an easy method. This traditional Mexican salsa is incredibly fresh and flavorful, perfect for tacos or chips. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, including about 1 pound of tomatillos, 2 serrano peppers for a nice kick, and a small piece of white onion. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh cilantro, and of course, salt to bring out all those wonderful flavors. Let's get cooking. The secret to a truly delicious salsa verde lies in roasting your ingredients. Place your tomatillos, serrano peppers, and the piece of white onion directly onto a hot comal or a cast iron skillet. Roast them over medium-high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally until they are softened and beautifully charred in spots. This process brings out a wonderful smoky depth and sweetness that you just can't achieve with raw ingredients. It's a crucial step for maximum flavor. Now for the fun part, the molcajete. First, add your 2 roasted garlic cloves and a generous pinch of salt to the molcajete. Grind them vigorously until you have a smooth paste. Next, add the roasted serrano peppers and the piece of onion, continuing to grind and mash them into the garlic. Finally, one by one, add the roasted tomatillos, crushing them against the sides until you achieve your desired chunky consistency. This traditional method truly enhances the texture and taste. To finish your incredible salsa, finely chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and stir it into the molcajete. The fresh herbs add a vibrant, aromatic finish. Now, give your salsa a taste and adjust the salt if necessary. It's all about personal preference. Your homemade salsa verde molcajete is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it proudly with your favorite tacos, quesadillas, or simply with some warm, crispy tortilla chips. Enjoy the authentic flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.